Quality check complete on the blue bags. Move them to aisle 4.
Confirmed. Updating inventory now. The yellows are ready for shredding.
The automated system is holding the optimal fill level perfectly. Look at the metrics.
Yeah, that consistency is exactly what we needed for this run.
Our systematic color management ensures consistency during rapid changeovers, maximizing production flexibility to meet market demands.
Our systematic application process ensures complete coverage with the UV protective coating, significantly extending the
We apply the antimicrobial solution in a controlled environment, then verify its effectiveness through rigorous microbial testing before certification.
Installation is simple, offering versatile attachment options like tie strings, elastic straps, and hook and loop fasteners.
We use torque-controlled drivers and snap-fit installation for secure attachment, even utilizing ultrasonic welding functions.
The tablet arm bracket provides a large writing surface that rotates smoothly into position. During the load test, the mechanisms.
We emphasize floor protection and stability. Glides can be pressed on for a secure friction fit or screwed.
Ensure proper alignment for nesting.
It's secure. Ready for the next one.
From manufacturing centers across the globe, our products flow efficiently to diverse markets, driving
Recognizing excellence in product design and environmental leadership, these awards validate our industry standing.
We transform these plastic bags directly into new products. This circular approach minimizes waste and maximizes resources.
I never thought I'd find a career like this close to home.
The training programs really helped me move up quickly.